Welcome to a deep dive into the unsung heroes of your vehicle, its gears. We often overlook the intricate dance happening within our transmissions, but these vital components are constantly at work, transferring power from your engine to your wheels. Understanding their lifespan and how to protect it is crucial for vehicle longevity and performance. At the heart of gear protection lies transmission fluid. This isn't just a lubricant, it's a sophisticated hydraulic fluid that serves multiple critical functions. It lubricates moving parts, minimizing friction and wear, cools the transmission by dissipating heat, and cleans by carrying away contaminants and metal particles, ensuring smooth operation. Not all transmission fluids are created equal. Automatic transmissions typically use automatic transmission fluid, or ATF, which is precisely engineered with detergents, friction modifiers, and anti-wear agents. Manual transmissions, on the other hand, often use manual transmission fluid, or MTF, which can vary widely in viscosity and additive packages, sometimes even requiring conventional engine oil or gear oil. Always consult your vehicle's manual for the correct type. Over time, even the best transmission fluid degrades. The constant exposure to high temperatures, shear forces, and contaminants causes it to break down. Oxidation thickens the fluid, reducing its lubricating and cooling capabilities. Friction modifiers deplete, leading to increased wear, and the accumulation of debris can turn fluid into a thick, abrasive sludge, actively harming your gears. Recognizing the signs of worn-out transmission fluid is key. You might notice your vehicle struggling to shift gears, experiencing harsh or delayed shifts. Strange noises, such as grinding, whining, or clunking sounds, especially when changing gears, can also indicate a problem. Leaks, often identified by reddish-brown puddles under your car, also signal an issue that needs immediate attention. Neglecting transmission fluid maintenance is a direct path to costly repairs. As the fluid loses its protective properties, metal-on-metal contact increases dramatically, leading to accelerated wear on gears, bearings, and other internal components. This unchecked degradation can eventually result in a complete transmission failure, a repair bill that can easily rival the value of older vehicles. So, what are the recommended maintenance intervals? While your owner's manual provides a baseline, typically every 30,000 to 60,000 miles for automatic transmissions, real-world driving conditions play a significant role. Heavy towing, frequent stop-and-go traffic, or extreme temperatures can necessitate more frequent fluid changes, sometimes as often as every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Checking your transmission fluid level is a simple yet essential maintenance task. For most automatic transmissions, this is done with the engine running and warm, in park, using the dipstick. Manual transmissions often require checking the fluid level at a fill plug on the side of the transmission, usually with the engine off, and can be a bit more involved, often requiring a lift. When it comes to changing the fluid, you generally have two options, a drain and fill, or a full flush. A drain and fill replaces only a portion of the old fluid, typically about a third, and is simpler. A flush, performed by a professional, uses specialized equipment to replace nearly all the old fluid. While more comprehensive, some experts advise caution with flushes on older, poorly maintained transmissions, as dislodged debris could cause new issues. Beyond the fluid itself, the transmission filter plays a crucial role. This filter traps contaminants and metal particles, preventing them from circulating and causing damage. A clogged or dirty filter can restrict fluid flow, leading to overheating and reduced lubrication. Replacing the filter concurrently with a fluid change is often recommended to maintain optimal performance. The use of additives in transmission fluid is a topic of debate. While some claim to enhance performance or extend fluid life, many modern transmission fluids are already formulated with sophisticated additive packages. Adding aftermarket products without specific knowledge of your fluid's composition can sometimes do more harm than good, potentially altering the carefully balanced chemical properties. Your driving habits significantly impact the lifespan of your transmission fluid and, by extension, your gears. Aggressive driving, such as rapid acceleration and hard braking, creates excessive heat. Similarly, Heavy towing or hauling places immense strain on the transmission. Regular driving in demanding conditions accelerates fluid degradation, shortening its effective life. Environmental factors also contribute to fluid breakdown. Driving in extremely hot climates consistently puts the transmission under thermal stress, accelerating oxidation. Conversely, very cold temperatures can make fluid thicker, leading to harder shifts until the transmission warms up. Dusty conditions can also introduce particulate matter into the system, further stressing the fluid and filter. Deciding between DIY and professional service for transmission fluid maintenance depends on your comfort level and expertise. Checking fluid levels is generally straightforward for most DIYers. However, performing a drain and fill or a full flush can be complex, requiring specific tools and knowledge to avoid costly mistakes. For peace of mind and proper execution, professional service is often the safer choice. The long-term benefits of diligent transmission fluid maintenance are undeniable. It extends the overall lifespan of your vehicle's transmission, preventing premature wear and tear on expensive components. Proper maintenance also ensures smoother, more responsive shifting, maintaining your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Furthermore, a well-maintained transmission significantly boosts your vehicle's resale value. Ultimately, the gears in your transmission are intricate components vital to your vehicle's operation. Their longevity hinges significantly on the quality and timely maintenance of your transmission fluid. By understanding its role, recognizing signs of degradation, and adhering to recommended service intervals, you can ensure your transmission remains healthy, providing reliable power for many miles to come.